Tinnitus relief. What works best for tinnitus? Tinnitus is an annoying affliction that, although it's just so-called ringing of the ears, it can have a major effect on a person's quality of life. An estimated 10 to 12 million Americans suffer from some degree of tinnitus. And while this might be considered a minor issue, many individuals are frustrated on how to fully cure ringing in the ears. The good news is that you don't have to depend on a doctor's prescription alone, because there are several natural cures for tinnitus nowadays. No need to get crazy, because you are on your way to a tinnitus-free life. So without further ado, here are some of the best home remedies that will help you in combating tinnitus and its symptoms. Number 1, lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil has an amazing floral scent. Its aroma contains calming and sedative effects that relaxes the mind. Lavender oil also assists in reducing stress and anxiety. We all know that anxiety and stress are one of the major causes of tinnitus. So relieving stress can eventually lower the ringing in your ears. Lavender oil also acts as a decongestant that clears air passages in the body. And it aids in blood circulation in the head and ears and reduces the intensity of tinnitus. So get a lavender oil and try rubbing a few drops on your earlobes for instant tinnitus relief. Number 2, vitamins. Certain supplements do very well in helping out when it comes to dealing with tinnitus. Zinc and B12 vitamins in particular get a lot of attention as being helpful in correcting the imbalance happening in your inner ear. Number 3, watch your diet. Caffeine and salt are two things that you really need to watch in your diet if you want to avoid the ringing in your ears. High salt causes inflammation and constriction of blood flow in the head that triggers the symptoms of tinnitus. So if you really want to combat your tinnitus and have a life free from ringing ears, you should try to maintain a healthy diet. Number 4, relaxation practices. A face massage that hits all the stress points on your face, like behind the ears and the side of your neck, is one of the best tinnitus treatments. A little bit of gentle caress can make you feel a lot better and lessen the buzzing in your ears. Relaxation is always proven to be the best medicine, regardless of any health issues. I hope these tips will help you feel better. Don't live with the thought that you need a harsh or heavy drug in order to get rid of your tinnitus. Because honestly, there are plenty of natural treatments to get you back to feeling the way you deserve and hearing loud and clear. Now, with all that said, if you are still suffering from tinnitus, I do have something for you that can help. All you need to do is check out the link in the description below to fast track your results even quicker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos from Remarkable Remedies. I am Rob. I hope everybody has a great day. Take care and God bless, and thanks for watching.